Today and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 16. The fourth term of an AP is 13 while the 10th term is 31. Find the 21st term. The options are given: A 175, B 85, C 64 and D 45. Now looking at this question, it is an arithmetic progression, and like we know, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Now the fourth term, which is T4, can be expressed as A plus, now n is 4 minus 1 will give us 3 times d will give us 3d is equals to 13. Let's call this equation 1. And then for C10, the 10th term, we have A plus 9d, that's 10 minus 1 times d is equals to 31. Let's call this equation 2. Now from equation 1 we can say that A is equals to 13 minus d. Let's call this equation 3. Now let's substitute 13 minus d for A in equation 2. That is, wherever we see A in equation 2, we should put 13 minus d. So we'll be having, now from equation 2, we have A plus 9d is equals to 31. So that will be, instead of A, we'll have 13 minus d. 13 minus 3d, sorry. It's supposed to be 3d. From equation 1, it's supposed to be 13 minus 3d, not just d. So we have 13 minus 3d, then plus 9d is equals to 31. So collecting like terms, we'll have minus 3d plus 9d is equals to 31 minus 13, and this will give us 6d is equals to 18. So d is equals to 18 all over 6, and d is equals to 3. Now from equation 3, we have that A is equals to 13 minus 3d. That means A is equals to 13 minus 3 times d, which is 3. So A is equals to 13 minus 9, which is equals to 4. Now since we have the value of the common difference, which is d, and the value of the first term, which is A, we can now find the 21st term, T21, which is equals to 4 plus 21 minus 1 multiplied by common difference, which is 3. So T21 is equals to 4 plus 20 multiplied by 3, and that is equals to 4 plus 60, and that is equals to 64. So the 21st term of this AP is actually 64. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.